Hi, welcome to the TKMG Academy course, Project Management Fundamentals. I'm your instructor, Amita Sherwood. Have you ever implemented a new way of operating, led a problem-solving effort, or planned a customer event at work? If not, have you ever worked on a home improvement activity, like building a deck, renovating your kitchen, or re-landscaping? If you said yes to any of these, or other activities like these, then you have worked on a project. In fact, much of the work we do in our professional and personal lives is project-based. However, we often go about projects with little planning, structure, or reflection, and as a result, end up with projects that take longer than expected, stall or never get completed, have outcomes that don't meet the original goals, cost more, and are more stressful than they need to be. Whether you manage a call center, oversee an engineering team, own a technology startup, manage a plant, or supervise a team of repair technicians, you likely work on projects. While the type, scope, and complexity of the work varies, strengthening your ability to initiate, plan, execute, and close projects will boost your effectiveness no matter what type of work you do or your level in the organization. People who are skilled at managing projects are in demand. They are highly sought after because they help organizations achieve goals and deliver value. They're often the first people to receive job promotions and be offered new opportunities. Projects have existed throughout history. How else could any of the wonders of the world have been built? In the mid-20th century, thought leaders from aerospace, engineering, pharmaceutical, and telecommunications saw a need for better methods to improve how they executed increasingly complex projects. This is when project management began forming as a distinct profession and discipline. The Project Management Institute, PMI, formed in 1969, is a globally recognized professional association that has established best practices and standards to improve project outcomes. They also offer a certification known as PMP, or Project Management Professional. While every organization that undertakes complex and high-risk projects can benefit from having a few PMP-certified resources available, all people leading one or more teams and people who spend most of their time on project-based work should develop strong project management skills. Not everyone needs to be a PMP. In this course, you will learn how to identify the types of work that should not be structured as a project, the difference between problem-solving cycles and projects with predetermined solutions, the 4 phases of project management, a step-by-step process for achieving successful outcomes, and how to identify and overcome common challenges in project work.